beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today topic na about this police woman and the other of our friend Ella. So now their matter I want to talk about today. So my darling people, wetin really happen be say these two friends they play for 4 years. So that 4 years they can separate. Now no friends now be say after the dog quarrel they will come separate. So they can quarrel for 4 years. They not they play. So why I want to do this topic be say if you quarrel with somebody, una can finally settle. But now make you not just free yourself for that person like that again. No, son, no, So as they play now, they can quarrel along the line. So everybody can go a separate way. So they can finally settle back again. So as they settle back, and that police woman, so anytime when she do a party, she dey always celebrate her birthday every year. So anytime when she celebrate her birthday, something dey always dey happen. Anytime something dey always happen according to the way we take hear the story. Say either somebody go meme, something go happen, something must happen. So they say the time when she first celebrate her birthday, two people meme that time. So before after 4 years again with this her friends Ella, they can't settle again. So as they can't settle, so you can't tell and say he want do birthday, make the girl come. And the girl say this her friend can say okay, no problem. So as she dey go, she can't do this sausage. She can't do sausage, carry follow body, go the birthday. Wanna listen, my darling people. So as she reach the birthday, he can carry the sausage, he can share them, give people. So as they dey inside, later she can't come out again because she go with her husband. So she can't go outside again, go take fresh air. So as she dey outside, and somebody come meet and say the sausage wey you bring, you no reach she handle. You can say, why? She can't enter again, come dey ask them, say, the sausage wey you bring, how come you no reach the other, you know reach other people hand? Who carry the sausage? Because the main way he bring, they come begin dey drag who carry sausage. This one say not be him, the other one say not be him. So they come point somebody wey play say pack, and people will be say if they come person party, they want pack take away go house. So now they come be like say quarrel one come happen. So the lady come dey vex. So now you can't tell this her friend Sharon say he want say they want comot because she already divorced already. So as they reach outside, he with her husband, now you can't see say e be like say when they drag the wedding ring come fall for ground. So now you can't tell the husband say the wedding ring don't fall for ground though. He not see the wedding ring. He want go inside the game go bring the wedding ring. Now the husband come tell am say just leave the wedding ring, where would they go? He say no, he must go collect the wedding ring because na gold. Now your husband come say okay, go inside and make you go bring her. Now you can't go. As he reach inside again now, e be like say the person wey dey first quarrel together now, and they come begin the quarrel again. They look for wedding ring now because he say na gold, he must carry am. As they look for wedding ring now your husband dey hear for outside say na fight, they come dey fight for inside. Now your husband come say wetin dey happen? Make him come inside, make him come find out wetin dey happen. Now you see say they don use knife take chook him wife. Wetin dey happen? Wife dey ground. Now blood full everywhere. Now he can't hold the woman, hold him wife. Wetin dey happen? The woman only wetin the woman come fit tell am be say I love you. And so the woman take meme. Now so the woman take meme. And this police woman, una not forget to say I first talk say anytime she do birthday, something dey always happen. Now so this friend now just meme, just tell the husband, say, I love you, like meme. So the thing, it shocked me. It shocked me. Say somebody go celebration, go party, they can't go meme. And this our friend, deal with this our friend, they quarrel for 4 years. They settle back again and she can't meme. The life no balance, sha. You know? Una we come know say anytime we do something must happen. If na me, that time party, anything she dey do, I no go near that area again. Because I don't know what she dey use that kind thing dey do. It be say anytime when she do party, something must happen. Now, because na police person now, the one can just like do wuru na make they take close the case just like that. So then the husband now come cry out. People come out now. Even ITV don't carry am. Many stations they don't carry am. So they don't feel just leave the thing like that. Make everything just go just like that. So that it make they come finally come out now say no, they don't go agree. Una understand?
Mr. Ogefo alleged that weeks after the death of his wife, Sharon, Edo State Police Command is here to make any arrest nor update family members on investigation so far. Mr. Ogefo, who cried out to concerned authorities to intervene to ensure that justice prevails, said for over a week the homicide section of the Edo State Police Command has not briefed him or family members on any latest development on the case.
We've been calling them, they've been posting us left and right. My wife has died now almost 2 weeks. Nobody has been charged with anything. Nobody has been arrested. No development. My wife can't just die like that, and people are nonchalant about it, living their daily lives. I want to really appeal to the relevant authorities to do something about it so that we can get justice for my wife Sharon. Before she died, she was 2 months pregnant. It's a very painful situation.
In an interview, Edo State Police Public Relations Officer SP Chidi Nwabuzo said, following the incident, a preliminary investigation was carried out by the New Etete Police Division, where husband of the deceased made statements. He said the matter was transferred to the homicide section following a petition to the State Police Commissioner by husband of the deceased, where he alleged that his wife was murdered. SP Nwabuzo said since the approval of the petition by the State Police Commissioner, the husband and family members of the deceased are yet to honor their invitation.
Investigation is on at the state CID. They have been informed to come over that the Commissioner of Police has approved their petition. And it will interest you that up to now that they've not answered to the authority of the state CID to give their own testimony, to give their own account of what transpired at the party.
However, husband of the deceased said they did not receive any invitation from the police until Thursday evening when they received a call from the State Police Command, adding that they would have long before now honored the invitation. The incident, which occurred on 5th February 2021 at Osage Street, GRA, Benin City, during a birthday party organized by Inspector Beauty Ajilo, attached to the State Police Command, led to a serious argument and fighting, which led to stabbing of Ella Akiola and Sharon Ogefo.
My darling people, when things dey happen, this one shock me, sha. Now say man, I can't tell you now. Say wetin una think? The man don finally cry out. Say make they help am, make Nigerians, make they help am. Thank you, everybody.